Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is the 10th of February, 2022. In this video, I want to quickly talk to you guys about what I'm seeing in the charts for Atom. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about what I'm seeing in this chart, as well as where I think the chart might be going in the short to near future. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will have you know that when you do subscribe to my channel, not only are you being a great supportive person and helping me grow here on YouTube, but you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I just want to throw this out there also. Would you guys rather win one of those two great prizes, or would you guys rather win yourself some crypto? Let me know, guys. I've been thinking about that for some time. I know a lot of people might not actually want like a new TV or a graphics card. They much rather have some crypto. So as that floated by my mind the other day, I was like, you know what? I'm going to put it out there for everybody else. You guys let me know. Either way, I want to give back to the community. I want to give back to the people that's been helping me grow. So again, guys, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and you can win one of those prizes. It might be a 50-inch flat screen TV. It might be a graphics card, or it might be the equivalent in cryptocurrency. It could be Atom, Juno. You guys let me know what you guys want. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this chart. We're going to start off in the daily time frame with Atom, and also I'm still using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. The first thing I want to point out to you guys is on Market Cipher A, this top section of the charts, guys. Check it out. We do have a blood diamond right now showing on the daily time frame. Usually when we do see a blood diamond, that does mean that we should expect some further sell pressure. As you guys can see here, we've had blood diamonds in the past right here and right here and right here, and every single time those blood diamonds pop up, we usually do see some price suppression come on in on the chart. So expect that going forward, guys. I'm not saying it necessarily actually has to play out, but with the news of the CPI inflation rate being what it is coming out today and everything else, we could probably expect it to be happening, guys. That's just my 2 cents. Don't front run that. Also, don't ignore it as well, guys. Let's take a look at Market Cipher B with the momentum waves and the RSIs. Right now, the RSI is clearly rounding back down, and now they are both pointing back down at the current moment. And we do show ourselves with this red dot as well. So everything right now on the daily time frame for Atom's chart is showing me that we should expect some more selling pressure to come on in for the short term. Now, I'm of the mindset that I think that the majority of this selling pressure is already baked in on the markets. This isn't anything new to me. I already knew that the CPI report was going to kind of play out this way. I think a lot of other people already knew that inflation was what it is, guys. I think the only people that are actually playing dumb is the US government, but that's just my opinion. So again, guys, that's just me though. I'm not freaking out all too much. I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity before we get on and move to see higher price points here shortly for Atom. Again, though, I'm not front running anything. I'm waiting for the market to tell me what it wants to do, and then I'm going to react accordingly. So again, guys, just something to think about. Right now, I want to show you guys if we do get a lot of selling pressure because of this CPI news, I do want to show you guys levels that I'm watching out for now. We do have this upward trend line that I've been charting for some time, and right now we are clearly far away from it. We do have room to come all the way down to this trend line, and if we do, we still would be absolutely fine in the macro scheme of things, guys. We are still on our move to the upside ever so slowly. We could come all the way down to that trend line, which is right around $20, and be absolutely fine. In fact, if we do come down to that, that would be actually really healthy for us to retest yet again. And more than likely, if we do come down to that, I think we're going to bounce off it really hard going forward. So again, guys, I'm not freaking out. We could come all the way down to this trend line and bounce off it like this and be on our way, still completing this wedge pattern that we are currently in. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right here. This wedge pattern right here from the local tops to our support line that I've been sharing with you guys for some time, which is this trend line to the upside. We would still be intact in that pattern. So again, guys, nothing to freak out about. Another thing I want to show you guys, that is the average move by math that we can expect if we do break the 200 SMA again, guys. We did break the 200 SMA here, which is this yellow line, and then we broke it right here as well. As you can see, it was about 12.95 when we broke it right here. Other times though, it was much higher than that. So what I did was I just used the average between all of the big significant breaks under the 200 SMA, and I compiled that data together, and what I found, like I said, is 39.17, which lines up exactly to this line right here. Again, price action has moved to the right a little bit, so it's going to be up just a tad, but it's right around $18 to $20, which again lines up perfectly with our upward trend line that we have right here. So if we do see a lot of selling pressure come on in, where I'm going to be deploying capital is right around $20, because that is what the average move has shown me from past data that we could expect maybe a reversal to start happening. We usually don't go much further than about 39.17% whenever we break the 200 SMA. Again, we could go a little bit past that and we could fall short. I'm not saying that's an exact place for you guys to catch the exact bottom. That's just an average move below the 200 SMA whenever we do break the 200 SMA and it doesn't hold up, guys. As you guys can see, we fell short before and we've went a little bit beyond it before. So again, guys, this is just a place for me to start deploying capital in my DCA strategy. I just want to point that out to you guys while we're looking at the charts for Atom going forward. I'm a long-term investor. I don't think we should be freaking out right now, guys, but that's what I got. Let me know what you guys think. Do me a favor. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. As always, stay blessed. Stay in profits, my friends. Peace.